Did you know Canada is home to some of the most stunning natural landscapes on the planet? From the towering peaks of the Rocky Mountains to the misty wonders of Niagara Falls, Canada's nature is truly epic. Vast forests stretch as far as the eye can see, and wildlife like bears, moose, and eagles roam freely in this untouched wilderness. Imagine hiking through alpine valleys, listening to the roar of waterfalls, or standing under a sky filled with the northern lights. Every corner of Canada feels like stepping into a real-life adventure. If you want to explore more incredible natural wonders like this, hit subscribe to Epic Trails and journey through the world's most breathtaking places with us, and if you want the full video, check it in the channels.